In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the calendar and other power-ups to your Trello board. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Trello experience with additional features that can help streamline your workflow, adding power-ups is a great way to get started. So let's dive right in and make your Trello board even more powerful. First, head over to Trello.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Look for the login button and click on it. You'll have a couple of options here. You can either log in using your email, or if you prefer, use your Google account for a faster sign-in process. Once you're logged into Trello, navigate to your boards. This will be under the Your Workspaces section, which includes all the boards you've created or are a part of. Now select the board you want to work with. It's important to choose the one where you want to add the calendar feature or any other power-ups. Click on the specific board to open it up. Once your board is displayed, you'll see various options and tools available to you across the top and side of the screen. Now it's time to focus on enhancing your Trello experience. Look for the Add Power-Ups button. It's usually found on the right hand side of your screen within reach of all your tools. Clicking this will take you to a new screen where you can search for any power-up you'd like to add. In the search bar, type in Calendar. The calendar power-up is a fantastic addition to your board if you need to keep track of deadlines or schedule tasks visually. Once you've located the calendar power-up, click Add to integrate it into your board. This action will allow you to leverage its capabilities almost immediately. After adding the calendar power-up, click the menu to see an overview of what you've installed. Within the menu you will find the newly added calendar power-up. Click on it to familiarize yourself with its features and to see how it can transform your board into a timeline of tasks and deadlines. Don't stop at the calendar. If you want to explore more power-ups that could benefit your workflow, simply click on the power-ups button again to browse additional options. Each power-up is designed to offer unique features and functionalities that can enhance the way you manage and organize your tasks. And there you go, you've successfully added a calendar and explored other power-up options on your Trello board. This process not only enriches your boards with new functionality, but also empowers you to tailor your workspace to fit your specific needs. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and that it inspires you to explore more ways to make Trello work for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.